All right, here we go. How to change the switch out, okay? No, don't say that, bro. Let's see. Come on.
Praise Sir Charles, true his magical bow. He leapt into the air and...
Boy, you are really good at changing.
That's it. Leaving things
You know that?
Can you hold this new switch, babe?
That's why doctors recommend the full immunization series. Every dose matters. Good luck, everyone.
Not that one. See that new switch?
Okay, perfect. You know these things work now? You know what happens if things go down too much? So we gotta catch up with Jack. He's distracting that happens right now.
I'm not a good video maker, am I? Because I don't talk that much. Anyways, what you do is, you see I took the old switch off and made sure the off sign is on the same side as the other switch was. Replace these wires in the same way they came off. Right? And then okay. Now, we'll switch to the other side. Alright. Okay. Alrighty. Now let's see if I can get this to go back in here. Let's put this back in that hole there. Sometimes you put a little hair around it. Alright. Old switch went out. PawPaw's house here, changing out for him. We're gonna do the left one now. Let's see. See, yeah, these switches backwards. But we'll put it on the same way so he don't get it confused. Alright. No. Alright, now coming on over here, see we got 4 wires coming into this switch. Let's see what we got going on here. See, whoever put this in used all black wires, so you got to pay attention to where they come from, because when they're all black, all 4, it's a little confusing.
What is that one on top, the brown one?
Well, PawPaw, you don't have one. All the wires coming into these switches are black, so it's hard to say which one going there.
It looks like that one on top would be the brown.
Yeah, well, this other switch on the left has all the plugs. It's got 4 wires going to it,
And the other one only had 3.
and the other one only had 3.
What store did y'all go to, Ariel?
We went to Home Goods and then we went to, because you know Hobby Lobby's closed on Sundays.
Oh, yeah.
So we didn't find nothing we liked in there really. And then we went to the Five Below store and found the kids those toys. And then we went to Academy and got both some clothes. Yeah, I got him 2 outfits and a shirt and extra. Yes.
Is that Nike or what?
That was Under Armour.
Under Armour, okay.
Yeah. And he can wear those for school next year too. I didn't find nothing I liked to Blake. I like to get her stuff at a different store. I don't really like shopping for her at Academy.
Did I show you the dresses I saw at Sam from last time?
I don't think you did. I need to go with you to Sam's.
Okay.
I need to get some stuff
There you go.
on Wednesday.
Okay, maybe we can go Wednesday.
Okay.
I suppose. This the other new one? Yeah.
Let me see it. She'll put it
Yeah.
up against it. You can tell. if it's
Oh, I know,
online
I
or
can
not.
tell.
Oh, are you still on the phone?
He was playing the games on there. He was playing Baldy on there.
Hey, after it's been 30 minutes. It's my turn. On the phone.
No, it hasn't been 30 minutes yet.
Like, you want to do that
I
puzzle?
need to watch the TV because we're in the house now.
You want to do the SpongeBob puzzle?
Yeah, but
Huh? Are you doing Jenga instead?
I'm trying to build
Yeah,
it so
that
people
shop
falling
over there.
down.
Not yet. No, not yet.
I'm trying to stand back so I don't get shocked with
You ain't
them.
gonna get shocked. Breakers are off. Alright.
I think really you just needed to see one.
Well, I already got both of them going, so I might as well, just in case they run into a problem, they want to see how it's done. It's done like this.
For the video is what I mean.
That's what I mean too.
Oh, okay. It seems pretty simple enough. I never thought it would be that easy.
Alright.
It just hooks on there.
Yeah. Let me go on the side, tighten it up more. Gotta squeeze these things in there, they're tight fit. Wires are hard to bend. So when you get it in there and it feels tight, they're all supposed to feel tight pushing it back in. Wires ain't loose. Let's see. Oh shit. I got it. I got it. Watch it. Watch your fingers.
These are all the pictures of everyone that we have encountered so far.
Those don't look like they're facing the same way.
They're not. It's going on the same way as it was.
Why did you do that? I thought you said you were going to fix it.
I'm putting it on the same way as it was.
But I thought you said you were going to fix it.
I did fix it.
Like the way that it turns on and off though.
No,
You did say that though.
I didn't say that. Yeah, I don't want to. It's hard to put them on there one wire at a time when you're trying to put a new switch in there. And if I get the wires mixed up, since they're all black, it's just, I don't want to screw it up.
What are you you want to?
If they were color coded, I could tell you exactly
What do you want to? So do you want him to turn the breaker first before you put that plate on it?
No, it's gonna work.
Oh, okay.
What I'm trying to say is, if I was to put the switches same direction how they're supposed to be, I don't know if I'd get the wires mixed up because I'd have to take the plug all the way off. Switching sides like that. PawPaw, you go turn that breaker on.
Okay.
You out of breath?
No? Are you calling me fat?
You're breathing hard.
Am I?
A little bit.
I don't mean to.
You don't hear yourself.
No, I don't hear myself. If I heard myself, I'd probably stop breathing, and then I'd be like one of them people that hold their breath around people and stuff.
Don't do
Does that look good or what?
that. Not this side.
Well, I mean, there it is. Done. That's how it's done. Look at me. Hey, right here. BTX. Nah. I'm just joking.
Easy 4 down here is dark brown. Great, it's brown. So I think she's disqualified. Ginger Ripper from Colin Ginger.
Oh, it's on, PawPaw. It works.
Yep.
Did it work?
They all
Well,
work.
Yeah, it works.
All right. Are they all